This is the exact 5-minute scalping strategy that I use to catch high probability breakouts. And it's the same setup that helped me generate $18,600 last month trading just one time per day. No indicators, no guessing, just one setup, one chart, and a clean entry that works again and again. Let me show you exactly how to use it. And at the end of this video, we're gonna go through a whole month of back-tested results using this strategy to prove to you that this works. Let's get right into this. Now, here's what makes this strategy so great. It's built around a very specific time window, which means that it happens most of the time around the same time every single day. So if you work a job, if you're in school, if you're busy with other things, you don't have to worry because this trade can print you money in a small amount of time. It's also extremely systematic, meaning there's no guesswork. If you're a complete beginner, this strategy will work for you as long as you follow the checklist that I'm going to give you. This strategy also gives you a high risk reward ratio. Every single time you win a trade, you're winning twice as much as you risked, which over a long period of time ensures that you are profitable. And as you can see on the screen here, it works amazing for prop firm traders or live account traders. No matter where you are in your journey, beginner or advanced, this strategy will kill it for you. Let's hop into exactly how to do this. All right, so here we are on TradingView. I call this strategy the 5-minute NQ London session breakout strategy. Specifically for the reason that it's based off the 5-minute time frame. You're not going to any other time frame. You do not need any other time frame. We're only trading one pair, which is NQ, and you're doing all of this based off of the London session price action. I'm going to show you exactly what that means. I'm going to show you how to find that if you don't know what to do. I'm going to walk you through every single step here, but it's a simple 7-step checklist that if you follow this checklist will print you money. This is a proven strategy that has been proven to work month after month as long as you follow the checklist and you don't skip anything. So let's dive into this checklist. So the first step is we need to identify what London session is. I'm going to show you guys an example of a quick way to do it, but in simple, we're looking at the price action from when London starts, which is at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, all the way up to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we're basically going to draw a box around that whole price action, or a box around all those candlesticks. Now, the next thing after that is we're going to wait for a 5-minute candle body, meaning the body of the candlestick, to close above or below that high or that low. Basically, we want a candlestick to close outside of the box that we're going to draw. The next step is we're going to take an entry as soon as that candlestick closes. We're doing this on the 5-minute time frame, so we're waiting for a 5-minute candlestick to close outside of that area. Once we have that close, we're entering the trade. Now for our stop loss, it's very important that you use a stop loss, and the stop loss placement is extremely simple. We're placing the stop loss just below / above the candle that we triggered on. So if we entered for a buy and we had a candlestick that closed outside of our zone on the upside, we're putting our stop loss below the candlestick that we entered on. And then vice versa when it comes to sells, if we had a candlestick that closed on the bottom of our zone, then we're putting our stop loss above that candlestick since we entered for a sell. Step 5, our take profit is always going to be a 2-to-1. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this strategy ensures that every time you win a trade, you're winning twice as much as you were risking, or twice as much as you lost, which means that you don't need to have a high win rate at all. You don't need to win every single trade. You can lose 2 trades in a row, win 1 trade, and you're back in profit. Now, there's 2 more rules to this that you need to follow to make sure that this strategy works for you over a long period of time. You're only taking 1 entry per day, whichever breaks high or the low first. Meaning, if it goes and closes above our zone that we're going to draw out, and then we enter for a buy, but then it sells down, we lose that trade, and then it goes and closes on the bottom of our zone, we do not take that second trade. This is a one and done strategy based off the London session breakout. And then the last rule that you need to make sure that you do focus on is that you don't take any entries after 11 a.m. EST. The reason for that is because after 11 a.m. EST, there's not a lot of volume. And since this is a breakout strategy, we're relying on volume. And we need a lot of volume for this strategy to work. And after 11 o'clock, the volume dies out. So that's why we don't take any entries after 11 o'clock. Now let's hop into some actual examples so you guys see exactly how to do this. All right, so here we are on the charts. As you see, I already have this area marked up. I told you guys you have to draw a box around the price action that happened during London session. Basically from 3 a.m., as you see on the bottom of my screen here, from 3 a.m. all the way up into 8 a.m., which is right here. Now there's a simpler way to do that. If you go to indicators up here on TradingView and type in kill zones and press on the one made by Oscar VS, this one right here, you'll see on your chart, you'll have some lines pop up. Now my settings have been changed. If you come over here to the drop down and I go to settings, you can actually turn off certain things. This is what my settings look like. It really doesn't matter much. I just have my New York kill zone on and I have my London kill zone on because that's the time frame that I want to see it. And obviously you can change the style as far as changing the colors if you want of the lines and things like that. That's all personal preference. But what this does is it shows you exactly where London session starts and it shows you exactly where New York session starts. So if you look here on the bottom of my cursor where you see it says Monday, the 14th July or July 14th, 2025, this is at 3 a.m., right? Now, if I come over here to when this white line is, that's at 8 a.m. And remember, in the rules, we're looking for the price action that's happened between 3 a.m. and 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, sorry. So when we have this drawn out, we have now our zone of interest. Now, the next step in our trading is to wait for a 5-minute candle close. As you see, we're already on the 5-minute time frame. We're waiting for a 5-minute candle close above the high or below the low of that London session time. So as you see, this is 8 o'clock. We have 8:05, 8:10, 8:15. Then this 8:20 candlestick we see closes outside of our box here, outside of our zone. That's when we're taking our breakout entry. So we take an entry right at the close of this candlestick. Since we entered for a buy, we're putting our stop loss below the body of the candlestick that we entered on. And then we're dragging our take profit. As you see, we're dragging our take profit until risk/reward ratio says at least a 2. And as you see, this trade ended up hitting very, very fast. It ended up hitting and we ended up winning this trade by 8:30, making and capturing over 190 ticks on NQ with a very, very simple systematic strategy. Now let's go over another example for you. So here we are on another example. Now what we're going to do, we're going to mark up. You can either use the drawing tool to draw a box around the price action from the high and the low of the London session, or what you could also do is you can draw lines on the top of it. So this is the top of the London session, the highest point that price went during London session during this period. And then we have right here, the lowest point that price went during this London session. So you can draw it just like that, or we can draw it as a box. It's really a personal preference. It's going to show you the same exact thing. Now, I want you to notice something. As you see right here on this candlestick, we went above the high of London session, but the reason we didn't enter this trade for buys is because we did not get a candlestick body to close outside of this London high. It wicked outside of it, but the body did not close outside of it. The only time it closed outside of it was right here on this candlestick here at 8:45. We would have entered the trade right here for a sell. Since we're going for a sell, we put our stop loss above the candlestick that we entered in. And then we're dragging this take profit until we reach a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. As you see, risk/reward ratio is a 2-to-1. And this trade won within a couple of minutes as well. And that profited us 325 ticks, which you could use one contract depending on the broker with just $500 inside of your account. This one trade would have made you over $1,600 within a couple of minutes just following this super simple systematic strategy. Now here's another example of this strategy, but as you see, this ended up going extremely high up. It didn't just stop at that 2-to-1. And it's crazy that one of my inner circle students actually caught a majority of this move. I'm pretty sure he closed it right up here. So he was able to make a ridiculous amount of money. Now, if you don't know what my inner circle is, it is where I mentor you to be able to trade exactly how I trade. Not only do you get access to trade live with me every single morning and see every single trade that I take, but I also teach you how to trade exactly how I trade. I give you all the knowledge that I've learned over the past 8 years that has allowed me to generate 6 figures, sometimes even 7 figures every single year with day trading. Included in my inner circle, you also get access to 4 other extremely profitable traders where you can take their same exact trades and learn how to trade exactly how they trade as well. We also have a dedicated trading psychologist because if you did not know, trading is 90% psychology. No matter what strategy you use, you need to be able to be psychologically mature to stay disciplined enough to follow all the rules. Even with the strategy that we're going over here, you need to be disciplined enough to follow the 7 steps month in order for this strategy to consistently profit you money. And that's why in my inner circle, I brought on a dedicated trading psychologist to ensure that you never have to struggle with that. There's so much more included inside of my inner circle. So if you're serious about trading and want to be able to make 5 to 6 figures a month with trading, then hit the link inside the description down below. Spots are literally always full. You don't take my word for it. Look in the comments of any of my videos and you'll see people complaining that there's never any spots open. But it's truly for people who are super serious about trading and actually want to be able to turn this into not just a side hustle making a couple $100, but into something that can generate them multiple 5 figures and even 6 figures every single month. So as I said, if you're serious about trading and want to get access to my inner circle to get equipped with everything that you need to become a consistently profitable trader as fast as possible, hit the link inside the description down below. Now, as I mentioned, one of my inner circle students actually took this setup and actually sent it to me and showed me how long they held the trade. If I remember right, it was somewhere up here, but it's the same exact setup that we just went over. I can delete all this and draw it up for you guys once again. We have our London high, which the London high is right here. We can drag this across. Then we have our London low, which is right down here. Drag it across. You can draw the box around it if you want to. It's really up to you. Then next was just waiting for a close outside of it on the 5-minute time frame. And as you see on this 8-10 candlestick, we actually got a close outside of it. Entry right as soon as the candlestick closes. We're putting our stop loss right below the candlestick that we entered on, and we're going for a simple 2-to-1. This trade was hit in less than 10 minutes. But as you see, this trade absolutely skyrocketed to the upside, but taking your 2-to-1 is perfectly fine. And you'll see as you trade this strategy that the results are absolutely amazing as long as you stay consistent with following the rules. Speaking of results, we're gonna dive into the exact results that you would have had last month, which is July, if you took this setup every single day when it presented itself, went for your 2-to-1, took your 1 trade a day, and how much money you would have made with this one strategy, trading 1 pair. Let's get into the results. Now, before we hop into these results, I have to give you guys a disclaimer that past results does not guarantee future profits, but these results are absolutely incredible. As you see here with this strategy, our total P&L in July was $18,600. Now, let me give you guys a little bit of context. These results that you're seeing here is based off of using 5 contracts per trade. That's it, just 5 contracts. And you can open up 5 NQ contracts with just $2,500 inside of your account, depending on the broker. As you see, we started with $2,500. By the end of the month, we at a total profit of $18,600. As you see, our win rate is 44%, which, if you guys remember, I told you guys every single trade that you take, you're winning 2 times as much as you lose every time you lose. So having a 44% win rate with a set 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio is absolutely amazing. And it shows you just how profitable this strategy can be over a long period of time. And you see, during this entire period, we ended up taking 18 trades total, where we had 8 wins and we had 10 losses. We can scroll down here and actually see the average risk to reward is a 2.02 to 1. The average ideal risk to reward, which basically just shows us how much we could have made if we held our trades a little bit longer. But remember, we're not greedy. We're not here to get greedy. We're going for our 2-to-1. We don't need to hit an 11-to-1 risk to reward ratio every single time. Now, if you come down here, you can see a lot more data as far as the total winners, our best win, our average win percentage, our average duration, meaning each win on average, we were in the trade for about 32 minutes. Then you see the losing data here, but ultimately this is a absolute killer result using just one strategy. Keep in mind, this is one strategy done 1 time a day, trading 1 simple pair, which is NQ. And this profit that we made here, the $18,600, this was done with just $2,500. Now, if you leverage funded accounts or prop firms, which is a whole nother beast, this number could be drastically higher. But $18,600 is pretty good money for one trade that maybe takes you 30 minutes a day. You're not staring at the screen all day. You're not guessing if this is the right place to put your entry or this the right place to put your stop loss. It's a complete system that's proven that as long as you follow it, you'll be able to see consistent results, which to me just takes the emotions out of trading and makes trading so much easier. Now, this isn't just a strategy. It's a daily blueprint. One setup, one trade, and then I'm done for the day. But the real power, as I mentioned before, is when you scale it. And that's why I made this video right here. If you want to see exactly how you can use the same system we just went over to go and make multiple 5 figures every single month using other people's money, watch this video right here. I'll see you there.